Hi guys, I am my mom's daughter, and today we'll be putting makeup on of my Barbie, and I'm gonna do her hair as well. So you'll need an accessory just to put like around her arm, eyeshadow, and a makeup kit. This has like bronzer, contour, and everything. And I have a hairbrush for her. So first, before putting on makeup, and I have a hair tie on her, but yeah, we'll take that off right now. So first, I'm gonna just put her, let me fix this camera. First, I'm gonna, so you can see her better, I'm gonna put her hair in a high ponytail, a high messy bun. And I want you guys to please subscribe, hit that notification sign so you can be updated on the videos, and comment, like the video, and share to other people, please. And if we get this video to, let's say, let's not go too hard, like maybe like 1,000 likes, I will do another video on some makeup tips on the Barbie, not me, because I don't put makeup, but I see makeup videos, so that's why I want you guys to know some tips. So we'll get the makeup kit and our brush. And I think we're going to go on a darker shade on her. So we're going to use, oops, let me just take this off real quick. We're going to use this one. And that one is to, that's some, actually let's go a little darker, lighter. So we'll go with this one. Okay, so let's go here. So, okay, we're gonna go right here. And I want you guys to support this channel. We're all family, we're all in this together. I want you guys to stay healthy with this coronavirus going on. Nobody worry. We're all going to be all right. Stay home. And I'm doing this video so you guys have something to do. Or you could do this on your, yourself. Anybody, honestly. And I think, let's just put some, what's it called? Some glitter right here. Glitter always makes things perfect. We're gonna put it on this side right here. I'm not gonna do a lot today because I want to do more stuff for you guys when you guys hit that 1,000 likes. Okay? Okay, so now let's put some eyeshadow. Alrighty, guys? And we're all family, as I said, so let's support each other. And let's get more subscribers. I'm not really good at eyeshadow, by the way. And if you guys do this, like try this on your Barbie, somebody else, I would like you guys to put this in the comment, take a picture of you, your Barbie, or anybody that you do it on. And by the way, it's kind of messy because I always use this blue. Sorry for the noise. My dad is, mowing the lawn. And that dog, my bad. My dog is on a walk.